So I'm not gonna sit here and lie like I just woke up, but what time is it? It's like 11:30, and I thought I was gonna make a video because I got some stuff coming in today that I actually need to do to the car. So time to make another video, you know. If you guys didn't already, go check out last video. But I gotta wash my clothes, clean my room, and then I have a package supposed to be getting here around like 3:30, and then I gotta change my air filter. The one in the cabin. So I'm gonna do that. Pretty simple day today, nothing crazy. And I'm probably gonna decide what headers I want to get. So I mean, if y'all have any suggestions, I probably have bought them already, but I'm gonna go through and look. Yeah, let's go do that. Some of y'all ain't noticed, but yeah, your boy washes his own clothes. Be back in 1 hour. Next up, we gotta hang up all these clothes. I'm gonna do that. Ooh, I almost threw my camera. So now I got these clothes. It is hot in here, bro. What the heck? Is the heater on? Bro, why is the heater on? The heater was on, bro. There's no reason to have the heater on. We're in Florida. Like, what? Don't ever turn the heater on in Florida. Oh, let me go in these clothes up real quick. Alright, I'm done with that, so I'm waiting for this package to get here and then I'll continue the video. But let me put y'all on real quick. So this is this anime, right? For y'all anime watchers. It's called Kagster in a Cage or something like that. It's fire, go check it out. You're welcome. It's on Netflix right now actually, so. But I'll be back, fool. See, it's what time is it? It is now 5 o'clock. I'm still waiting on this package. It actually says it's supposed to be here. If y'all look real quick, it's 4:45 to 6:45. So it should be here within the next hour and 45 minutes. I need this package to hurry up because I'm trying to do this before nighttime. So now we wait some more. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I decided on what headers I'm gonna get. I'm probably gonna go with the PLM unequal length headers. So these are budget friendly too. College students, the broke life isn't really the best, so gotta do what you gotta do, man. Oh my gosh, Amazon truck is here. My dog just woke me up. The Amazon truck. Let's go get this package. So, I got the package. I'm actually going to put this cabin air filter in real quick. And for those of you who don't know how to do it, I'll just do it real quick. God. So what you're gonna do is right here, you're just gonna push it in on the sides, on both sides, and it should come off. And then your cabin air filter is right behind here. So I did go with the K&N washable cabin air filter, so I can reuse it that way. I don't have to just keep buying air filters, and I could just wash that one. So I'm gonna take this off real quick. So this is what it looks like right now, which is actually kind of gross. So this one you can just take and out with the old and with the new. So I'll just take this one. Ooh, and the nice packaging and all. These are instructions on how to do it. So if you don't know how to do it, get this bad boy opened up. Okay, so there's an arrow on it that says right here. If you look right here, it says there's an arrow pointing down. It says flow, so the arrow will be facing down when you put it in. As to with the other one, the OEM one, that one the arrow's facing up actually. So you're gonna put it in with the arrow facing down. Just go ahead and put it in. Make sure that's in there nice and good. Go ahead and put this back on. So now I'm gonna lay all this out actually. Excuse my toes. And this is from Govee. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want some. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box real quick. Some screws actually. Now we got everything right here. This comes with some zip tie. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna plug this in real quick, see if it works. Make sure everything's good. So there we go, we got that on. Can change the colors. Okay, everything's working. Can change the modes. Cool, cool, cool. All right, cool. Perfect, so everything works. I'm gonna start hooking things up now. All right, so I was actually having some trouble putting the wires through to the other side. So a trick here, let me show you guys what I did. I have 12 volt right back there. See where that red thing is right there? And then I have the wire running down through the back of the glove box. I will mount the controller onto right here where I took this panel off, where it literally just pops off. So you just pop that off. And to get it to the other side over here, actually, you're gonna need to, this metal piece right here, if you slide the wires behind it and go to the other side, you can actually see it'll come out behind on the same side. So I did that. So that made things easier. Now I just got to get the rest hooked up, and that'll take a second. So I'll see y'all when that's done, actually. Okay, so everything is now done. Everything is wired up, and the wires are like hidden. So I'll show you where my bad. I'll show you where I put everything. So here, the controller's right here. And if you see, actually under, I have the LED strip, which goes into here. But basically I ran it through there, which I had mentioned previously. And the trick is, if you notice, you can see the wire a little bit right here. So I'll just tuck that back in. But if you tuck it under this panel right here and just run it across, and to have the LED strip on the bracket, the seat bracket itself, which is back here. So if I move this up, see, you can't see because it's so dark, you'll see, focus, all right, the LED strip is right there. So the only thing is, right, you can see it right there. So, and if I take you over to the driver's side, I did the same exact thing. I have set up LED strip. I have a zip tied to some of these wires over here because I don't have the panel down here for some reason. I just tucked it away. Focus. I just tucked it through the panel right here again, and did the same thing through the driver's side too. So let's go ahead and, if you look, it's actually changing colors. So if I go over here and adjust, there we go. See what color we get. It's blue. So here's purple, which I like this one, so I'm probably gonna stick with this one. And I believe there's actually an app on your phone. If you're wondering what brand this is right here, Govee Light Up Your Car. You can get them on Amazon for like 20-25 bucks. So they're fairly easy to do. It's just trouble wiring through there. That was the hardest part for me, like figuring out how to do that. And there should be instructions on how to do it on my phone if I can get it out. So I got the app, so let's go ahead and open this right here. Now it should be connecting. I'm just gonna rename it to car. I'm gonna name it Footwell Lights. There we go. And now I can literally just go and adjust everything. So let's see, color. Oh, there we go. Everything's working now. Change it to purple, orange. Here we go. You can adjust the brightness. The brightness, does it work? Oh, there we go, brightness. So you can adjust the brightness. There's different modes, music mode. So here's music mode. I don't have any. Oh, it actually picks up on my voice, which is kind of cool, you know? There's a mosquito just flew in. So yeah, that's everything. Nothing fancy, but a little fancy, you know. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like. Sorry for the, it's kind of hard to explain everything when I don't actually have like a flashlight. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Again, the link will be in the description. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to subscribe. Tell all your friends. Got headers coming in the next video. I promise they're coming soon. I promise they're coming. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.